Welcome to day 20 of a movement a day Qigong. We're going to do a lovely flow today and tomorrow. So last 2 days of a movement a day. We'll start with the palms down. We're just going to push out, back of the hands together, not touching, and then push out again and around. This is embrace the tiger, return to the mountain. Exhale out, inhale around, gathering that energy. Exhale out, back of the hands, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Very lovely flow, calms the mind, just restoring calm and peace to the body. Brings in more energy. Relax into the movement. So once you have the basic movement down, you can add the breathing. Inhale up, exhale as you're moving out, inhale around, exhale as you push out. So it's that exchange of energy, releasing stagnant energy out, pushing it away, embracing new energy. Letting that stress go, calming the mind, closing the eyes, bringing the awareness and attention inside of the body. See how your body's feeling. With flows, oftentimes the hands, the most sensitive, lots of nerve endings, lots of awareness in the hands, is where you begin to feel the qi the strongest. You can feel yourself just moving through the sea of qi that's all around you. That space that's not really empty. Embrace the tiger, return to the mountain. It's that stillness, that great stillness that we're looking for. Tiger, symbol of energy, oftentimes attributed to the lungs, the metal element, that energy. So this is a really nice flow for building up energy into the body and creating a very stable base. Restoring those primordial stores of qi that we lose when we're doing too much, not eating really well, not sleeping really well. Very restorative. This is restorative QiGong. Nice flow. And just sink into it. Notice how your body's feeling. Does it want to go slower? Try it out. Let's do a little slower. Oftentimes, once you begin feeling the qi, your body just naturally wants to slow down. Because there's so much more to experience. It's not just physical movement anymore. It's moving the energy up. It's a nice one. Back to center. Then we're just pushing out what we don't need. Bringing in. We're bringing it up the kidney meridian, which runs along right here. I don't know if you can hear that, but there's definitely a frog behind me. A weird sounding frog too. It's lovely to be out in nature, surrounded by the animals, birds and the insects. Oh, he's got a friend answering him. Two frogs talking to each other. Tomorrow we'll be doing Turning the Wheel, our last flow. Very, very good, very nurturing for those internal stores of Qi, connecting to the macrocosmic orbit by doing a little microcosmic orbit action. And let's just do one more after this. Deep breathing, gathering Qi, bringing it back to center. And do a few turns. Your hands are either touching the body on the lower dantian or right in front of it. And then a couple of turns, imagining all that extra energy that's circulating around your body being stored into your lower dantian. There's a little spiral happening, like a whirlpool, kind of like a tornado, right? But in water. And it's just bringing the extra energy into that lower dantian, which is a small ball, but we're going to imagine it just focusing it right into the center where it condenses as a little pearl, which is the storage form for Qi. A couple circles the opposite direction to seal the door. All right. Thank you for practicing with me today. I'm so happy for you. See you tomorrow.